breaking news that we are getting that Amit Shah is to meet the chief ministers of the BJP ruled states. That's the news we are getting at this moment, and this is to build a consensus on the GST. Now, 15% of state legislators have to ratify the GST bill after it was passed by Rajya Sabha, and the BJP is leaving no stone unturned to push it through and make it a reality. Ashar joining us on this story. Ashar, it's been seen that this meeting is on August 27th. The whip being issued to the chief ministers of the BJP ruling state that GST constitution amendment bill has to be ratified by them. But how many numbers will the BJP fall short of? Ashar, if you can hear me, can you tell us the number as it stands for the BJP of those states which are in favor of ratifying the GST?
Well, what we've been given to understand is that since there has been a consensus in the GST Council as far as the constitutional amendment is concerned, it should not be a problem. This meeting is just being called so that the BJP states may ratify it at the earliest, while other states will also come and ratify this. Since all political parties are on board, where we saw in the Rajya Sabha that all the members present of all parties, they were voting for this bill. So there is going to be no problem for the government to get it ratified. Now the only question is that it should be ratified at the earliest. So when it's ratified in the winter session, which starts sometimes in the third week of November, the government would be clear that this has been ratified by all states. Now it will have the main bill, which is the GST bill. This is a constitutional amendment, which is an enabling provision.
Yes, Ashar, thanks for joining us with that detail, because once the 50% of state legislators ratify this bill, the next stop will be to introduce a central GST bill. Already fight over whether it will be a money bill or financial bill in the parliament. We keep an eye out on that. But now moving on to the exclusive investigation of India Today team.